First, we are digging deeper into the Murdaugh saga. Alex Murdaugh waived his right for extradition and will be brought back to South Carolina for a bond hearing. And just minutes ago, we learned that that is set for Tuesday in Columbia, and we will have a crew there as it all unfolds. The prominent South Carolina attorney was booked into the Orange County Corrections Facility in Florida. He was arrested there yesterday on 2 charges of obtaining property by false pretenses. He's accused of stealing insurance settlement money from his former housekeeper's children, who should have received that money after she died in the Murdaugh home. Murdaugh was in Florida at a drug rehab center for his opioid addiction. He's been out on bond for another set of charges. Now, he was first arrested for trying to hire somebody to kill him, but that didn't go as planned. Today, we got some medical records from the shooting, and Fox Carolina's Brooklyn Cromer is live for us in our newsroom to break down those details.
Well, Tori, Alex Murdaugh's medical records have been released, and these reports are clearing up many of the rumors about a botched shooting. Now, earlier this week, Fox Carolina's Cody Alcorn reported this, and today we have all the reports as the Murdaugh case continues to make headlines across the nation. The former Low Country attorney is part of an influential law family. His son Paul charged with boating under the influence causing death. That was in 2019. In June, Paul and Alex's wife were murdered. In September, Alex Murdaugh says he was shot in the head while changing a tire on a country road. He later said he planned it so his surviving son could collect millions in insurance money, then adding he hired someone to do it. When he arrived in court to face the charges of insurance fraud, he had no visible wounds. Air ambulance records state gunshot wounds to the head. Records from Memorial Health in Savannah showed there was blood collecting under the skin and a bone fracture, along with several fragments. The report says there was a laceration on the left side of his scalp, and the medical expert we talked to says he also had a bleed inside of the brain.
Head-to-toe examination did reveal 2 superficial appearing bullet wounds to the posterior scalp, though with no active bleeding from those wounds. They very well could have caused the wounds that I just described. Whether or not he did suffer any other injuries isn't clear just based on this report.
This report also confirms what his attorneys told us, that Murdaugh has been abusing drugs. Both barbiturates and opiates were found in his system. Now, the South Carolina Law Enforcement Division has 6 open investigations surrounding Murdaugh, including stealing what could be millions of dollars from the family law firm. Now, Fox Carolina's Cody Alcorn has covered every angle of this story, and you can watch exclusive interviews and stories on our Fox Carolina YouTube channel.